This is Lesson 2 of Adighebza for Beginners. This is Part B of Lesson 2. In this section, we'll review the dialogue introduced in Part A. We'll have the opportunity to review each phrase of the dialogue and practice our pronunciation. Let's begin with a recap of the dialogue from Part A. Aslan sees someone he thinks he might recognize. He wishes him a good morning and asks whether his name is Janti. Wibshadij fua. Janti. As it turns out, the other person, Ziad, answers with, "No, my name is Ziad. Is your name Aslan?" Hawa. Sasitsar Ziad. Wawitsar Aslan. Aslan answers yes and informs Ziad that he is looking for the study group. Nta? Sazizgasa qupum sallukhwa. Ziad tells Aslan that he's at the right place, but came early. Mirarash, awapasu wakakwash. Upon learning that he is at the right place, Aslan responds with, "Great," and asks how many are in the study group. Fadidish, tapsha khorazizgasa qupur. Aslan answers with, "There are 4 of us," or "We amount to 4. Da plir tohu. What would you say if you wanted to wish someone a good morning? Wibshajij fua. Wibshajij fua. And how would we ask someone whether his name were Janti? Wawitsar Janti. Wawitsar Janti. How would you answer no? Hawa. Hawa. How would you answer yes? Inta? Inta? If you were looking for the study group, you would say, Sazizgasa qupum sallukhwa. What is the phrase that means the study group? Zizgasa qupum. Zizgasa qupum. How do we say in the study group? Zizgasa qupur. Zizgasa qupur. If you were looking for something or someone, how would you say, "I am looking" in Adighebza? Sallukhwa. Sallukhwa. And how would you say "you speak," as in "you speak Adighebza well"? We're only looking for the phrase that means "you speak." Wapsasha. Wapsasha. If you wanted to tell someone, "This is it," but you came early, you would say, Mirarash, awapasu wakakwash. Which part of that response means you came? Wakakwash. Wakakwash. How would you emphatically say, "Great"? Fadidish. Fadidish. In the dialogue, Aslan asked, "How many are in the group?" by saying, "Tapsha khoraz zizgasa qupur." Which part of that means how many? Tapsha khora. Tapsha khora. What is the word that means for in Adighebza? Let's say you came across someone who asked you whether your name was Janti. That person might ask, "Wawitsar Janti?" How would you tell him no? Hawa. Hawa. How would you say, "I am looking for the study group"? Sazizrasa qopum saltukhwa. Sazizrasa qopum saltukhwa. In response, you hear, "This is it, but you came early." Listen and repeat. Mirarash awapasu wakakwash. Mir arash awapasu wakakwash. Which part of that phrase means early? Pasu. Pasu. You want to say great and then ask how many are in the study group. Listen and repeat to how you do so. Fididish. Tapsha khorzizgasa kupr. Fididish. Tapsha khora zizgasa kupr. Which part of that phrase means in the study group? Zizgasa qupr. Zizgasa qupr. Great. How many are in the group? Listen and repeat. Fididish. Tapsha khora zizgasa qupr. Fididish. Tapsha khora zizgasa qupr. You answer by saying, "There are 4 of us," or literally, "us, 4, amount to." Listen and repeat. Da ple dochu. Da ple dochu. Were you able to make the sound? Let's try it again. Listen and repeat. Da dochu. This concludes Part B of Lesson 2. Please move on to Lesson 3 for more practice. For more information on this and other Adigha language resources, please feel free to visit us at www.adighas.com. That's www.adighas.com.